Okay, hi viewers, my name is Emmanuel NWACHUKWU. Welcome to my video. This is the next tutorial video that I'm creating to enable my friends to learn how to create Bitcoin wallets, blockchain wallets. And this wallet is going to help you trade on Bitcoin currency and some other transactions that are very important that you need to have. Now, what is expected of you at this point? You are starting afresh. Remember what I said in my last video. You need to make available your email address, your email account, a valid email account that you can log in anytime you want to log in. Now, what you need to do here is to type the address, the blockchain address, www.blockchain.info, blockchain.info. This is all you need. You sign in, you log in. Now, as that opens, it is going to take you to the environment where you need to now locate. The network is a little bit slow here. Okay, we are here. All right. Now this is where you need to click. If you click here, it is going to take you to the next window where you are supposed to provide your personal data. Remember that you must use an email address that is valid. Okay. Now, what do I need to do here? See what is here. It is demanding that you put your email address there, which I'm going to provide. All right. Gmail.com. Please, you need to be very careful here so that you don't put in a wrong email address, okay? Because after here now you're going to log into your email and retrieve your login ID, because blockchain is going to send to your email your login ID. Okay. So you put your password, make it more stronger. The password is going to be a combination of figures, alphabets, symbols, and so on and so forth, so that it will be strong. And you're going to repeat the password. Let's do that. Okay, yeah, strong. Okay, I repeated it. That's confirmation. You click in this box. If you don't click in this box, you won't succeed in creating the account. You click continue. If you click continue, if the network is our friend here, yes. Okay, save. Okay, this particular thing you're going to copy it and paste if you so wish. But if you couldn't get it, don't just bother yourself. Now this is where we get. This is the next place you get. Welcome. Thanks for joining over 17 million blockchain wallet user. You can imagine that. Over 17 million people are using the blockchain wallet to do their transactions. So you are just going to add to that number. You click on get started. Now we are here. Wonderful. This is a new this is a very new wallet I just created now. Now there are a lot of things you need to do. Look at this particular place, security center. You need to pass through this security center. It is very, very important. There are a lot of things you need to do here. If you look at this color here, this reddish color, it is just tiny. It means you have not done all the security settings you are supposed to do. Now, there is there was a mail that was sent by blockchain to your email account. So what you need to do is just to access your email. You can see that here. Now you access the email. Good. Like I told you before, this is the wallet ID. You can see that. So it is saved in your email. You can now also copy it and save in other places, just to make sure you have the data recorded somewhere to avoid getting lost. So now it says, yes, this is my email. You click here to verify that account. If blockchain accepts it, they will show you success. Now this success simply means that you have been able to verify your email. So you go back to that place. Can you see the color of this particular place has changed? See, it says email verified. That means you have succeeded in doing this. Okay. Now the next thing you need to do here is to back up your recovery phrase. Recovery phrase, what is it all about? This is a kind of security measure that blockchain is offering to the users. You are going to make sure you document all the things you are going to see here, and you can also download and download it, save in your computer if you wish, but I prefer you writing it down in your your diary. That's why you need to be writing as you're creating the account. Now let's just do this. Now when you click here, the backup phrase, you're going to see certain things. Okay, backup recovery phrase. Security tips: do not store your recovery phrase on your computer or online. It is very important to keep your recovery phrase offline. That means you need to write in your diary, in a safe and private place. Anyone with access to your recovery phrase has access to your funds. It's very, very delicate. So you understand that. We have created a printable. So if you want to see what is here, if you click here now, it can give you, okay, something is downloading here. It is going to download a printable interface where you can write down those things, but I don't need that. What you need to do is just to click on next setup. Now these are the things you need to write down. You need to write down these things here as you're seeing them. Now what are they? The first one, you need to write number 1. You write render. You see it? Write it in the small letter as you're seeing it here. Lowercase letters as you're seeing them here. The first one is render. The second one is merge. The third one is claim. The fourth one is sniff. Anyone you record wrongly is going to cost you a lot of things. In the case of you trying to recover your wallet, assuming you have forgotten your password, I want to recover. Any of these things that you are required to provide and you couldn't provide it, you have lost this wallet. So you need to be very, very careful. You click the next step. If you click the next 4 words, you see, it is going to show you the next 4 words. Thin, crumble, bleak, flock. So you write them down as you're seeing them here according to their numbers. According to their numbers. Flock. Okay, I've written them down. Now this is the last place. You write down nuclear, touch, hamster, garlic. There will be 12 in numbers. Okay, yeah, I've written them down. Now let me sound a note of warning. I am doing this because I'm doing this video to teach you what to do, but I'm going to discard this wallet because what I'm exposing to you here is a security tip. I'm not supposed to show you what I'm doing here, but because I'm doing this as a tutorial, I'm going to discard this wallet at the end of the day. I'm not going to use it to fund my account, okay? So you don't do this and show anybody what you're doing. This is a private information you need to keep to yourself. You need to understand this. All right, now you click on final step. Now here, you see these people are very, very intelligent. They are demanding the 8th word. What is the 8th word? Flock. You type it here. Flock. Okay. The 7th word. What's my 7th word? Bleak. B-L-O-E-A-K. The 4th word. What's the 4th word? Sniff. S-N-I-F-F. The first word, render, R-E-N-D-E-R. Okay, if you got that correct and click finish, that will be all. Good, I got it correct. So because I got that correct, this will pass me through to the next level. You see, this one now has blue, this one has blue, this one has blue. So here you're going to do something. Your password. When you click here now, your password is expected to, you're expected to put in your password, the last part of your password, so that anytime the system is helping you to remember your password, when you see the last end of it, it is going to help you. It's going to help you remember the password. But I'm not going to do that now. All right, fine. Now, there are some other security things. You see, the color here has increased. The color has increased here. Now, there are some other things you need to do. If you click on settings, you're going to see your wallet address. This is your wallet ID that you'll be using to log in and log out. Okay. If you want to be using your phone to be logging in, you click here. If you click here, yes, if you click on this particular place, this is what you're going to see. Now you use your phone. When you're logging in, you use your phone and scan this thing, and it will save in your phone. You'll be able to log in with your mobile phone. You click here, it hides again. So this is your ID. You need to keep it very safe, that you'll be using to log in. Now this particular ID was also sent to your email, so you need to take note of that. Now, if I sign out now, that means, okay, it says okay. That means I'm done with this particular wallet. And now, if I want to log in again, blockchain is going to send to my email okay, so if I'm logging in again, blockchain is going to send me a verification code in my email. So you need to trace the email again and click OK. Except when you click OK, blockchain will not allow you to log into this account. Okay, so this is the ID here. So you need to type in your password. Once you type in your password, you click login. When you click login, you go to your email and retrieve. You see the email they sent you, you click on it, and that will permit you to log in. Okay, that is all for now about security settings. My next video is going to be on how to, the receiving address, and how to send money out of your wallet. Thank you for watching me. Bye-bye.